My name is Valerie Chan. I'm the Director of VF Accountants, a Fellow of the ACCA, and a Making Tax Digital Pro Advisor. We're going to go through Making Tax Digital for VAT as an agent, step-by-step guide, section 3 of 6. Step 3, create an agent services account, ASA. Please refer to the links in the description box on YouTube. Prior to viewing this video, please watch Section 1 of 6, Step 1, Inform Clients, Section 2 of 6, Step 2, Making Tax Digital Compatible Software. As a reminder, here are the 6 steps to implement MTD for VAT as an agent. Note that each of the 6 steps must be followed in order. Step 1, Inform Clients. Step 2, MTD compatible software. Step 3, create an agent services account, ASA. Step 4, link existing clients to your ASA. Step 5, sign your clients up for MTD. And finally, linking your software to HMRC. Step 3, create an agent services account, ASA. It is a one-off process. Note that the ASA is not the same as the HMRC online services for agents account you have been using. The latter will not be switched off as you still need access to process EC sales lists, PAYE and corporation tax returns. The old HMRC government gateway has now also closed. In case you have any issues, you can call HMRC MTD on 0300 200 3701. For security reasons, the person setting up ASA must be responsible for your agent firm's tax or administrative matters. To create an agent services account, please go to the link below, and I've also included the link in the description box on YouTube, and click on Setup or Sign Up. This will take you to another link as below. Use your existing user ID and password to access your HMRC online services for agents account. As an agent, you will also need your self-assessment 10-digit UTR number if you're a sole trader, your partnership 10-digit UTR number if you're a partnership, your corporation tax reference number if you're a company, and the postcode associated with that reference. Enter your business details as indicated. You will then be required to confirm the UTR for your business. You will then need to create a new government gateway account for your agent services account. You will need to enter your details such as your name of your organization, email address, and create a new password so that you can access your ASA for MTD for VAT. You need to make a note of these. Make a final check of your details and make a note of your new user ID and government gateway agent ID. Confirm your business details again and create your ASA account. Your agent services account will be created and you will be given an account reference number. Please make a note of this number as you will need it to link your clients to your ASA. This brings us to the end of Step 3, Create an Agent Services Account, ASA. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe below.